So I'm really very, very impressed. Let's take a look at what you can get for 2,999 rupees.
At a time when variety in a particular tech genre has started translating into multiple price points, buyers are having the time of their life. This phenomenon is most relevant in the smartwatch segment, where we get to see a healthy set of options that ring the register at both higher and lower ends of the spectrum. Today on the show, we're reviewing a product that represents the affordable side of the smartwatch world, the Firebolt smartwatch dubbed BSW 001. Heavy on specs and low on price, this smartwatch promises to pack in great value. But does it? Let's find out. Aesthetically speaking, the Firebolt smartwatch has taken inspiration from some existing premium products in the market, which is not necessarily a drawback. The square-shaped dial in its metallic finish is definitely on the lighter side when it comes to weight, but it does feel robust. Our opinion about the build quality is further solidified by the IPX7 water-resistant rating that the watch comes with. We also get replaceable nylon straps with the watch, which are comfortable around the wrist while maintaining firm grip. On the front, we get a 1.4-inch display that shows basic data on the home screen like date, time and steps of the user. Initially, we were not impressed with the brightness of the display, but that thought changed once we disabled the auto brightness feature. With the backlight set to full capacity, the display managed to produce vibrant colors and we found it easy to read notifications and texts from the watch. In terms of feedback, this is a responsive display. The Firebolt smartwatch runs on a proprietary OS which seems quite similar to the one we get to see on Huami smartwatches. With its colorful animation and easy to understand interface, we did not face any trouble finding our way around it. Overall, the performance was fluid and snappy and better than we expected. This fluid performance can also be credited to the right set of hardware under the hood. The BSW 001 is powered by a Nordic processor that is well optimized and gives a break-free performance while we interact with the smartwatch. What makes this smartwatch truly shine is the buffet of sensors that it comes loaded with. There is a heart rate monitor which delivers accurate results and comes in handy when we're exercising. There is a blood pressure monitor as well on board, which after some adjustment managed to monitor our BP. Firebolt has also managed to put in an SpO2 monitor on the smartwatch. Now, we won't rely on its reading, but it is impressive to see one here given the price. For added connectivity, the Firebolt smartwatch is compatible with Darfit app, available for both iOS and Android devices. One of the better applications to play around with, we could access comprehensive data and logs about our fitness regimen, along with getting more customization options like downloading watch faces and setting up notifications. Talking about the battery life, during our testing, the smartwatch lasted about 4 days before we had to plug it in. Not bad considering we had all the sensors turned on around the clock. And with that, it is time for the verdict. While the Firebolt smartwatch might lack some premium features like a mic and speaker setup or a well-nourished OS, it still stands its ground as a solid option for a customer looking to upgrade from a fitness band. Available now at a special price of 2,999 rupees on Amazon, the Firebolt smartwatch packs in great value.
That then is the Gadget 360 show this week with me, Rajiv Makhni. I'll see you next week.